If you don't like wearing high-neck clothes anymore, don't throw them away. We can turn them into a small turn-down collar. First, measure about 2 inches down from the neckline. Then find the center of the collar and draw an extension line. Take a large pair of scissors and cut along the line to open the upper layer of the collar. After cutting, it will look like this. Next, mark the center of the collar. Then take a zipper and align it with the neckline. Transfer the mark you made onto the zipper, making sure it's neat and even. Leave a straight opening at the top and cut off the excess part. Use a strong, durable thread and a large-eye steel needle. First, hook the needle and thread 1 second to pass the thread through. Flip the zipper face to face with the fabric and pin it in place with a couple of spare needles to keep it from shifting while sewing. Start sewing from the top going down. I'll teach you 2 stitching methods. First, the back stitch. Move 1 stitch forward, then 1 stitch back, making sure to pierce through both layers of fabric. This stitch makes it look like it's sewn by a sewing machine, tight and seamless, though a bit slower. Keep the stitches small and dense. The smaller and denser, the better the result. Always use a thread in the same color as the fabric. At the end, secure it firmly, knot the thread, and cut off the excess. See how straight this line is? Doesn't it look like it was machine sewn? For the other side, use the same method, but this time you can use a running stitch, also called a basting stitch, to go up and down continuously. This keeps the stitch length uniform and makes the alteration quick while still looking neat. After that, fold the zipper neatly and fold the collar in half. Use a back stitch to sew it in place, then turn the corners out so they are even on both sides. Finally, use a hemming stitch to secure the inside, starting from the inside out, pressing down the edge with tight, small stitches. Make sure no thread shows on the front. Sew all around the collar, then slightly loosen the stitches at the start point so the collar remains elastic. Finish by tying off the last stitch, trimming any excess threads. After this alteration, the clothing can be worn as either a stand-up collar or a turn-down collar, stylish and fashionable, like a whole new design.